Jennifer has several installer packages, which are PHP Agent Package for the PHP platform applications, .NET Agent Package for the application built by .NET Platform, Java Agent Package for Java Platform applications, Agent Package for Python and Node.js, and also Jennifer Server Package to manage and store the data. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and install Jennifer Java Agent for Java Platform applications. For this case, I have a running application in the Tomcat, which is called iHotel, and I want Jennifer to monitor the application. I have already installed the Jennifer server and I have Jennifer Java Agent Package. So, let's install the Jennifer Java Agent. First, unzip the Jennifer Java Agent Package and we'll get a directory named agent.java. Before installing the agent into Tomcat, we need to modify the agent configuration file. Go to the config directory inside agent.java and open jennifer.config. We can copy or rename this configuration file to conform with the application name. Set the server address with the server IP address where the Jennifer server was installed. Make sure the port is the same as the Jennifer server port. Here, I use the default for it. Go to the bottom part and find domain ID. The domain is a group of instances. The default domain ID is 1000. You can keep it default, or you can change it. If you have another application that was monitored by Jennifer and it has the same domain ID, the application will be grouped in the same domain in the Jennifer dashboard. Now, let's assign the instance ID. If you keep it empty, the instance ID will be assigned to the default ID. However, you can change it as long as the ID is from the valid range. For my application, I'll assign it to 10000. Now, save the changes and close the file. To install Jennifer Java Agent, we just need to modify the startup script of the web application server, so that the agent will be loaded by the running JVM. For Tomcat, we'll configure the agent by modifying catalina.sh file. Open the file after backing it up. Add the following two options to Java Options as you can see on the screen, then save the changes. For the other application servers, the steps are the same but the file name and location may vary. Here you can see the files that you need to modify in the other application servers. Next, start up or restart the application server. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see Jennifer Agent log messages in the App Server Startup log, and will not find the error message in the log. Now, open Jennifer Dashboard. First, we need to configure the domain. Click the domain setting, then click Add button. Input the same information from the Jennifer configuration file for the domain ID, data server IP address, and data server port. Give it a name so that it can be distinguished from another domain. After finishing, save the changes. Now, we need to enter the license key for Jennifer to be fully functioning. To enter the license, go to the Setting menu, then choose License from the Jennifer Server section. Make sure you choose the correct data server for the license, then click Add button. Input the license key in the key field, then save the changes. Reload or refresh the dashboard. Now, there's no license alert anymore. If you configure the agent correctly, after inputting the license key, Jennifer will automatically start to monitor your activity or transaction of the application. You can change the instance name of the application from the Setting menu. Then choose Instance from the Monitoring Target section. Change the instance name in the Instance Name field. Then save the changes. That's the end of the Jennifer Java Agent installation. It's easy, isn't it? We'll show you how to install Jennifer agents for the other applications platforms in separate videos. See you.